Hello everyone, it's Sheltech and welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the MFISH E-Tank charging station. A GaN-powered 7-in-1 desktop charger delivering up to 240 watts of total output through 3 AC outlets and 4 variable wattage USB-C ports. It's built for modern desks, charging laptops, tablets, phones, and accessories all at once from one clean centralized hub. What makes this interesting isn't just the raw power. You get a compact industrial design, smart power distribution, and subtle RGB lighting that adds personality without overpowering your setup. So let's unbox it, set it up, break down the ports and wattage, talk GaN tech, safety features, RGB controls, and the charging cables, and see if MFISH E-Tank earns a permanent spot on your desk. As always, if you have any questions, ask them down below. Right out of the box, MFISH keeps things clean and straightforward. Inside the E-Tank package, you get documentation, the MFISH E-Tank charging station, attached to a high-quality AC power cable. Everything is well protected and the E-Tank immediately feels solid and premium in my hand. This is clearly a desktop power hub, not a lightweight travel charger. The weight, build quality, and finish all point to something designed to live permanently on my desk. The Armored Dragon 1 cable comes packaged separately, and it definitely stands out as more than just a throw-in accessory. Inside the box you get a protective carrying case, the Armored Dragon 1 4-in-1 charging cable. This cable feels thick, rugged, and premium with a silicone housing and reinforced stress points. The attention to detail is obvious right away. It supports up to 240 watts in USB-C to USB-C mode. With its multiple connection options, it's designed to handle everything from phones and tablets to laptops, all from a single cable. Setup is extremely straightforward. Place the E-Tank on your desk, it's compact, but the weight keeps it firmly in place. Plug in the included AC power cable, connect it to a wall outlet or surge protector, and you're good to go. Once powered on, the RGB lighting activates, letting you know the unit is live. From there, you simply start plugging in your devices. There's no software, no configuration, and no learning curve. The E-Tank automatically detects each device and negotiates the correct wattage. The E-Tank has a clean industrial design with a sturdy, premium feel that immediately sets it apart from basic power strips. In terms of size, it measures 7.72 by 2.76 by 2.36 inches. That makes it compact enough to sit comfortably on your desk without taking over your workspace, while still leaving room internally for 3 AC outlets and 4 high-power USB-C ports. The weight comes in at about 2 pounds, and that weight is very intentional. It keeps the unit firmly planted when you're plugging in and unplugging cables. No slipping, sliding, or tipping. This isn't designed to be portable, and that's actually a good thing. The size and weight make it feel like a permanent desktop power hub built for daily use. Now this is where the MFISH E-Tank really stands out. It's designed to power up to 7 devices at once, and speed is clearly a priority. One important thing to know is that the 4 USB-C ports do not all output the same wattage. You get one USB-C port rated up to 140 watts, perfect for high-performance laptops. You get one USB-C port rated up to 100 watts, ideal for a second laptop or power-hungry tablets. And then you get 2 USB-C ports rated up to 30 watts each, great for phones, tablets, accessories, and portable devices. Alongside those USB-C ports, you also get 3 widely spaced AC outlets for monitors, PCs, speakers, lamps, and other powered gear. There are no USB-A ports here. This is a fully modern USB-C forward design with smart GaN power distribution. Inside the E-Tank is the GaN technology or gallium nitride, replacing traditional silicone components. In simple terms, GaN allows higher power output in a smaller chassis, better efficiency with less wasted energy, improved heat management under heavy loads. That's how this station can deliver a solid 240 watts while staying stable and controlled during long charging sessions. Power at this level only works if it's handled safely, and MFISH clearly puts a lot of thought into that. The E-Tank features one-button total control. A long press powers the AC outlets off, but still leaves power to all 4 USB-C ports. On the bottom of the charger uses an anti-slip suction cup base. The housing is made of a liquid metal-coated PC material, adding durability and fire resistance while maintaining a clean, premium look. The built-in safety protections are overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, and thermal protection. All these work together to keep both the charger and your devices safe during heavy, long-term use. RGB lighting is integrated as a soft accent, not an aggressive light strip. It's evenly diffused, looks great in darker setups or on camera, and adds just enough personality to your desk. And if RGB isn't your thing, it can be completely turned off for a clean stealth look. The RGB control is handled very well on this unit. No apps or software. There's no need for heavy pressing here. The E-Tank uses a touch switch, so everything responds to a light, gentle touch. You gently touch once to switch or cycle RGB modes. You keep your finger touching for about 3 seconds to turn the RGB lighting completely off, and to turn off the AC output completely, just hold down the button for 10 seconds. It's quick, intuitive, and once you get used to it, you can control lighting and power without even looking. In everyday use, the E-Tank performs exactly as advertised. Multiple high-draw devices charge at the same time without slowdowns or instability. The unit stays warm but never uncomfortably hot. RGB lighting remains smooth and flicker-free, even under heavy loads. MFISH also nailed the AC outlet layout, which most power strips completely ignore. The 3 AC outlets are widely spaced, so even large power bricks don't block neighboring ports. Every outlet stays usable, so no outlet Tetris. Combined with the compact design, this helps declutter your desk by replacing multiple chargers and power strips with one clean hub. MFISH also offers a standout accessory, the Armored Dragon 1, a rugged 4-in-1 charging cable built for flexibility and convenience. The 4 charging ends includes 2 USB-C, USB-A, and Apple Lightning. It comes with its own carrying case, features silicone housing, and is available in 7 colors, with 6.6-foot or 10-foot options. The Armored Dragon 1 uses a modular connector system, and it's very easy to use. You firmly but gently pull the connector straight off, you align the new connector with the cable end, you push the straight on until it clicks and it sits flush. Once attached, the connector feels solid and secure. Just make sure you're pulling and pushing straight, not at an angle. The wattage of the 4 charging modes are USB-C to USB-C up to 240 watts, USB-A to USB-C up to 18 watts, USB-C to Lightning up to 27 watts, and USB-A to Lightning up to 12 watts. It's thick, durable, reinforced at stress points, and clearly built to last. So the MFISH E-Tank charging station isn't just about raw wattage. It's about how intelligent and beautiful everything comes together. With GaN-powered performance, a compact but solid 2-pound build, 3 spacious AC outlets, 4 high-powered USB-C ports, layered safety precautions, and tasteful RGB lighting, it replaces multiple chargers with a clean, modern desk hub. If you're looking for a charging solution that blends innovation, modern connectivity, clean aesthetics, safety, and serious power, the MFISH E-Tank delivers. Well, you just made it to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Check out this video next. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Sheltec.